How to enable undo send on your Google Mailbox. Welcome to another simple Dad Google tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to undo send on your Google Mailbox. Undo send basically gives you the chance to cancel any emails that you sent by mistake within a certain time. So let's start off by visiting your Google Mailbox and make sure you're signed into it. Now click on the gear symbol at the top right of the page. Then click on See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down until you see Undo Send. As you can read, the send cancellation period is set to 5 seconds. Click on the 5 seconds and now you have the option to select 10, 20 or 30 seconds. Now select your choice of seconds. Scroll down and tap on Save Changes. Now whenever you send an email to someone, and you want to undo send, you should get a small message at the bottom left. Tap on Undo Send to stop sending that message. And that is how to enable undo send on your Google Mailbox. If you have any other questions, then please do leave it in the comment section down below. If you would like to see more Google tips and tricks, then please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.